directly at the firework instead of up.
It's amazing.
All right.
Chuck Slam, I'm getting out of here.
Oh, there's
Oh my God!
That's why no
It's coming off the bridge. Jesus, Mary Jo.
Holy shit! I didn't know they did that.
Oh my God, they don't usually do that off the bridge.
Now we know I know when to
I'm
stand on
gonna
the
do
bridge.
landscape.
Oh man, they're like trying to max that out this year. Considering they started a half hour late.
Oh, the president's here, that's why.
No,
No, I don't think so.
He's doing his speech.
They just both had.
That was his
I know,
buzz.
he was doing
That was his
his
buzz.
We're higher than the Bennett fireworks, man.
It's like a triplet thing. We don't know where to look. No, he was in Washington
Can
giving
anybody
his
hear anything coming out from
celebration.
outside music-wise?
It's angry
Why
Brock.
don't you was in Colorado?
Translator.
That was the previous church.
Is there any music coming from outside?
Can you hear it?
I think I can.
Yeah, you hear something.
Oh, you can put a little more. That was like a drop.
Are you getting video?
All right, now we need a sticker.
Yeah.
Wow, look how the camera's going off down there.
But I've got the bridging site too, in case they do more there.
Who's taking video?
Me.
I am.
All right, cool.
Maybe for the finale. This is awesome.
I hear them now. There's a chorus down there.
I
Yeah.
think it's from the TV.
Right.
No, it's coming from outside.
It's so funny because we can see the one barge, but the other two are just coming out of the building.
anything else off the bridge.
Right? I mean, we know they're there, but
I
they're
mean, this is the
behind
first time I've ever actually seen where fireworks are being launched. Yes.
Oh, this is old hat for
This
me.
is how to.
I grew up with this.
This
This is why I'm spoiled. I can't go anywhere else for fireworks.
No,
Nothing
right?
better.
Who's posting on Facebook? They're really good.
Just trying to see if they're safe.
I think all three of them taking video. They're going to be posting on Facebook.
You kill it. See if we can hear anything.
Yeah, I'd like to.
That can't be a concert. Oh, that looks cool. I'm waiting
Like
for
where?
the smiley faces and all that
They
cool
like this,
stuff.
yeah.
We are about the same.
You know, every year they have to outdo themselves.
Every year they get
Yeah,
a
I
new
said some of them were.
They have to, right?
It's like the Macy's Day Parade, right? There has to be something new.
Where's the SpongeBob?
And SpongeBob.
I like those look like pollywogs, like little sperms coming out.
The pollywogs.
Come on, you know those look like little pollywogs or sperms. Come on.
I love the soundtrack of this.
Yeah, you can't even see the barge anymore. Maybe a mushroom might be right out there with them, right on top.
Whoa.
Can you imagine being on that barge though? Like part of that? That must be wild.
I'd be in midair like Florida.
Sean!
That's cool. We can hear like that.
I got twisted sense.
You are twisted, Sean.
I too much of
No wonder you're the worst Sean. No, I'm only kidding.
You're like,
Did you hear what your husband said?
It's not able to take it.
oh wow, cubes.
Yeah, cubes and
Oh!
Yeah, they said they were gonna experiment with electric.
Oh, wow.
Look at those shapes. Cool. At the end, it's going to be really cool. I'm not
Seriously, what are they saving for last?
I'm not going to tell you what, but I heard what it is.
What are they
beacons
saying?
coming
I
down.
mean, if they're doing all this and like the finale something.
They really need to bring it up just a little bit more, but I guess you don't want to
What?
get too. They should bring it up just a little bit more.
What's zero in your pocket?
Exactly.
I think they should go higher.
Yeah.
One more thing.
Is it SpongeBob?
I was born to secrecy. No SpongeBob.
Let's get some of those good.
I mean, I don't know. It could be SpongeBob in the middle. Wow. Oh, the one on the right, that one's cool. It was like electric, that one. I don't think there's another state or country that could do what we do here.
Well, the Grucci's do these still, right?
Oh, yeah, that's so cool. Oh my God, look at the bridge. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy crap. Look how cool that is. That is, oh my God, that's gorgeous. Look at that. It keeps going.
It's like they're blowing up the Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so cool.
People
Wow.
could walk across that. Come on.
Seriously, come
I don't
on.
think they're letting
We could do
anybody
that.
walk across tonight.
There's landmines on that bridge.
Cross with the hard hat, maybe. A hard hat and an asbestos suit.
My foot is like completely asleep, unfortunately. Sorry.
Shari's flying by.
Sheree with the asbestos suit, and then the hard hat, the Carnet hard hat.
Across the bridge is a plaque.
I'd be up there like if they're there.
That bridge, what they're doing on the bridge is so freaking cool.
Omnibus is drawn by.
They're rocking it this year. I'm impressed. Even if they did start late.
That's exactly the right time.
Couldn't really started much earlier because there's too much people.
They're redeeming themselves. Yeah, but Jeff, they could have started at 9. Come on.
Well, it was still a bit late. And the Jersey City ones to compete with, so they didn't want to, like...
They could do a whole hour if they wanted.
They never started.
It's just expensive. Oh shit, look, my light.
Omnibus for people with steel wheels, so rolling up and then on the way down, you need to put my brakes so you don't overstress the horse.
Oh wait, if I sit here, I can't see the bridge fireworks. So I gotta sit back here.
Much tougher and smaller.
Whoa, I love this for plenty.
No, they're great.
You can see it from there, right? I was sitting there before.
Like big
Yeah.
I wanted to get up.
lavender puffballs.
Well, when I sat here, I was like, I'm too
Levitating
low. I
above
can't
the
see
floor.
the bridge. So if I sit up top, I could. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. You just can't beat this. There's just no way. No city, no country.
Like Cedar Creek down there.
Are they doing a few more of the bridge?
Absolutely, it's freaking amazing.
That barge break.
Appalachian.
We're just so blessed.
Yeah.
Living in America here.
And this
In North America. Oh my God!
So pretty.
Go ahead, sweetie. I don't care. Get in there with your camera. That's gorgeous.
That is wild.
You can't even see the lower ones. What's that?
They all look the same.
They're in unison.
They actually-
right.
Yeah, well, they gotta be. That's the whole idea, right?
Sure, it's a choreographic.
Launching them from boats.
Yes.
Italians know what they're doing.
Bars are out there.
Oh, Sheree, when I look at that, I have no doubt that the Italians did it.
Come on.
See, I'm
Body and
I am proud to be Italian all year.
I am proud to be
Even more
Italian.
so today.
Ooh, look at that.
Right? Like stayed in the air
Moments
and
like this, I am
sparkles.
proud to be Italian.
Oh, I like those. Oh, I like the
I'm
sparkles.
proud to be American earlier, but now I'm proud to be Italian. That's
Sean
so
Connorelli.
vibrant.
Sean Connorelli
I'm
over here.
Italian American.
I'm proud to be both.
Sean Connorelli.
The greatest Italian
That's
I've
called
ever
Columbus
seen.
Day.
He spells it.
Earlier in the first party, I'm proud to be, American, and now I'm proud to be American.
Oh, somebody's doing their own firework over there.
His name is Giovanni.
Johnny,
That's so funny.
Johnny
Giovanni,
Ganatore.
yeah.
Oh, wait, they're doing fireworks from over there too?
No, Giovanni.
Where?
My mother's maiden name is
That's not
Calvario.
Was that coming from the barge?
Which ones?
Where? That's so.
There was one that
cool.
came from the shore.
Where are those
Huh.
coming from?
Was that coming from the barge? Where are they
Oh,
That's
That
coming
looked like
from
the Death
sky.
Star, didn't it, Fish?
yes.
How is that? Where are those coming from?
Like a yin and yang.
They don't. They're
They're
not
all
shooting
coming
from the barge.
No, they're all shooting from the barge.
No, these right here.
No, there are other barges. There have to be.
There's
Yeah, there has to be.
There's another barge.
I know there's 3, but
Those are behind the barge.
but there were a few just a
Eldebar.
second ago
Eldebar.
that were not shooting from up
I
there.
think they aimed it that way.
I know, it's coming from the grassy knoll.
The grassy.
You're from France. You're from
Awesome.
the grassy knoll.
Oh, those are
There's
flowers.
such a thing as a knoll that is
Flowers.
Well,
Just
these
flowers.
you can tell. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Back there, you're right.
Yeah, you
It could
know
be
what
a
I'm
wooden
talking about. I'm
knoll.
not twisted,
Hey,
right?
Royce.
No, like
Yeah,
that.
you never know who's behind that grass.
Little molecule there. Little-
Oh, it's like, it looks like Saturn.
Famous quote with the ring around it. Yeah, right? Yeah, I hear you.
Let's see a DNA strand
Where's
here.
Uranus?
Oh, you don't want anybody to answer that question.
Because it came out of his mouth. It's like grabbing
I want to see a DNA strand.
Pollywogs. Everywhere
And it
pollywogs.
was appropriate to the conversation at the time. It was like, wait, what?
I like what? I like when it
And
drops.
then we were fucking laughing because like the rest of the night it was.
It's like starfish.
Like I don't know if I'm looking at my video or if I'm looking at the. I mean, I wasn't
I'm trying to watch it live because, you know,
I
video
want to
just
see
doesn't.
it. I always want to make sure I get the video
I'll
too.
be in a 72 Supernova.
You need more already?
Dan Brusson.
Oh, that's nice.
That was a rally.
That's cool.
I like when they trip. It's like a big golden tree.
Looks like a big, like, weeping willow.
That tree, that big fat tree when they
A
trip.
whopping willow.
A weeping willow.
Sure, a weeping willow, yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'm not good at the animal plants.
My uncle has one in his yard.
They're hard to take care of.
You know, they're always by rivers and streams.
I'm not sure the names of plants and flowers.
Oh, that one.
If you want, you can prop it up against the
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's supposed to be that low.
And then just
Ship will be
Say this to me. Like if you were down there, would you give me some
I mean, if you were,
Somebody smoking like a big weed joint out there.
B5. I think I sunk your bell.
I guess if you were at a certain venue, you might hear like
I love that.
music, but I don't know if you would hear this really.
Yeah. Open the windows.
Do I got to mix it, Chuck, or did you mix it? Thank you.
Your phone has a wider field of view.
You use up all the bird stuff.
I feel like
I have an iPhone 4, and
I want the 4S, so
rubber there.
I don't know.
whatever it is, it's working. No, I didn't.
Yeah, with the unstable rubber.
Are we done?
Coney
Island. I bet that's Coney Island.
Oh,